This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. Communication mode parameter settings. RS485 communication supports the Modbus protocol and can control all pump functions. First, remove the protective cover of the external control interface on the rear of the driver. With the power off, connect the wiring according to actual requirements. Then connect the DB15 connector to the back of the pump. Turn on the power switch. The LED digital display shows numbers, and the ring light of the full speed button lights up. When the pump is stopped, press and hold the speed control knob to switch to communication mode. Turn the direction selector knob to the desired running direction. Turn on the analog power supply. First select the Modbus master, then select the configured settings as required. Use the variable menu for communication control. Set the value to 1 to start the pump, and set the value to 0 to stop the pump.